Hello, and welcome to the Mavericks 2009 NBA regular season database. We've chosen to do the Eastern Conference. The Eastern Conference is divided into 3 divisions: the Atlantic Division, Central Division, and Southeast Division. Each of these divisions has 5 teams. From here, we are able to see the wins and losses and win percentage for each team. Each team is assigned a unique team ID depending on the division that they fall under. Further expanding this, we are able to see the roster of players on each team. Here we can see their jersey number, points per game, assists per game, rebounds per game, and field goal percentage. Each player is given a unique player ID that comes from the first 3 letters of the team name, as well as their jersey number. Their position ID is also listed here, which is linked to the position table. Looking at the position table, we are able to see all of the players that have the center position in the Eastern Conference. One of the essential functions of our database would be to add a player. From our Add a Player form, you're able to add a player to a specific team. For example, if we wanted to add a player to the Toronto Raptors, we would select A02, enter in our jersey number. The player ID would be TOR for Toronto and 78 for the jersey number. The last name of the player, let's just make one for myself. We'll keep all these stats the same, and let's say that I'm a shooting guard. If we add and then go look at the players table, scroll down to Toronto, and here I am. Another function that we have is to add a team, although this won't be necessary because each of the divisions have 5 teams, and adding another team to one division would throw off the balance of the conference. It is an added feature just in case this situation would arise. To add a team, we would select the division, create a team ID, which would be the letter of the division, so in this case C, in 06 because it is the 6th team, create a team name, the wins, losses, and win percentage, create a player ID, and then fill in the corresponding information that is needed for each player. Clicking Add the Team, we'll add the team to our teams table. Here we are.
Thanks, Jess, for showing us how to make a team. To make a query, simply click on the query wizard. The wizard asks you which type of query you want, so simply click the simple query option and press OK. In the table queries drop-off, click the players table. From this table, select the position ID, players ID, last name, first name, and the points per game fields and add them to the selected fields column. Now go to the teams table and select the team field and add it to the selected fields column as well, and click Next. Here select the summary bullet and go into the summary options window. At this point, check the max option for the points per game field and click OK. As you can see, all the players are generated in terms of position. However, the players aren't appearing according to their ranks in terms of points. For this, we can actually go on to a report. Over to the report wizard. Let's start off by clicking on the report wizard and going into the positions table and selecting the position description field. Jumping back to the query we did earlier, add the points per game, last name, first name, and team fields to the selected fields column and click Next. Here you can choose how to view the data, so simply choose to view based on position and click Next. Click Next again and then click the summary options button and select the max box for the max points per game field and choose to view only summary and click OK. At this point, simply finish and generate the report. Oops, it seems like there may be a problem the way the data is displayed in the report, so let's jump over to the design view for the report. Here, simply copy and paste the objects in the detail column into the position ID header. At this point, simply jump back to the positions report, and voila! As you can see, all the top scorers in the NBA are broken down in terms of position. There we are.
King.
That brings us to the end of our database. Thank you, Trent Tucker, for listening in, and hope you enjoy the rest of them. Bye-bye.